Okay, the next is reference to labor laws. Labor laws we discussed in a separate video, this new labor codes. So let's look at the question. Labor is a subject in the concurrent list of the constitution, which is actually correct. Actually, it is provided under entry 22 and 24, right? 22 is regarding trade unions and 24 is regarding labor, right? In general issues of labor. So remember the two entries. This is regarding trade unions. This is regarding the general issues of labor issues. Okay, only the central government can frame rules under labor codes. Okay, so here there is a word only, which you have to be, you have to give more credence to it. Not credence, so you have to be careful regarding it. Only the central government can frame rules under the labor codes. So only is there, frame rules is there. Since it is concurrent list, this statement is contradicting with this, right? Because if it's in the concurrent list, both central and state can make laws and rules regarding it. So this is wrong. Okay? States pre-publish draft rules in their official gazette for public consultation, usually as a part of the Pre-Legislative Consultation Policy. Okay, Pre-Legislative Consultation Policy of 2014. It is a directive. It's not a mandatory thing, but still it's usual that they will pre-publish laws, they will pre-publish rules for public consultation. So this is actually correct, right? So you will reach 1 and 2, 1 and 3, which is actually option. See, if you can eliminate 2 itself, you can use elimination to reach the final answer. Okay, with reference to skill impact bonds. So skill impact bond, consider the following. So especially skill impact bonds is what we call as the development impact bonds or social impact bonds. This is similar to both things. These things are similar. So basically the when the investor, so if I buy a particular social impact bond or a development impact bond, what happens is that only if the outcome that was sought to be achieved by that particular bond, only then will I get the return, right? So if I invested say 1,000, okay, and say there is a particular interest rate also, 10% or something is there, right? But say 1 year, after 1 year, they will keep a target. Okay, they will keep a target. Like for example, they will build 5 houses, or in this case, say they will train 5 individuals. They will train 5 individuals, right? So after 1 year, if this output of this outcome was actually achieved, only will I get this money, right? Only will I get this yield, right? So it is so that is how the social impact bonds, development bonds, and skill impact is a particular type of development impact bond which actually aims to improve the skill, right? So that is the outcome. So it is India's first development impact bond dedicated to skill training. This is actually correct. This is actually correct. It's a factual one, but it is actually India's first development impact bond dedicated to skill training. It aims to benefit 50,000 youth with 60% women beneficiaries. Okay, 50,000 youth. So sometimes I've heard people say that in UPSC these new numbers, whenever numbers come, it can be wrong. There is no dogma like that. So whenever you read, think carefully, right? Only if it seems such an absurdity or if it seems a little weird, only then you try it. Okay, then you eliminate it. Here it says 50,000 youth and 60% women. Actually, this is actually a correct statement. This is a correct statement. So don't get it wrong. Okay, third statement, outcome funders repay invest only if verified outcomes are achieved, which is what I explained, right? So 1, 2 and 3, option D, right?